If this is our immigration tradition, what represents immigration today? I've been carrying these tubes around for 10 years talking to people about immigration. I'm going to go over here to the National Mall now and see if I can find some more people to listen. What I'm talking about is immigration tradition.
Okay.
And you know, you've heard America's a nation of immigrants.
Yeah.
This country has a tradition of immigration. And so when people talk about it, sometimes numbers are hard to visualize, so I visualized them. Actually, I developed this for 7th grade. Somebody told me once, they said, if 7th graders could understand it, I might be able to present it to members of Congress, that they might be able to understand it. This is going to illustrate our immigration tradition. The average number of immigrants who came to this country for the first 200 years, 1776 to 1976, 250,000. Now, sometimes it's quite a bit higher, sometimes it's quite a bit lower, but that's the average. That's Ellis Island, that includes everything. And at no other time in history, anywhere in history, is there anything like that kind of a surge of people into one nation. So that's our immigration tradition, 250,000. A more recent tradition, from the end of World War II to the 1970s, we had a little bit higher, but you see about 255,000. So they're about the same. So the point is even though immigration went up and down, it was very low, much lower than this, much higher. The thing is that more recently, it was pretty similar. Since 1990, the average number of immigrants coming in this country is this.
Wow.
At 1 million a year. At 1 million a year. At 1 million a year. Okay? That's the change that's happened that's probably caused immigration to become a big issue. The numbers have really gone up so much. Were you familiar with those numbers?
No, I was not.
Yeah.
I was probably more somewhat familiar with this, but not with
where we'd been, yeah.
I mean, I knew we had a big problem, but didn't really think about the numbers.